Boy, was immigration a hot topic. The last video that I just did was the negative effects of mass immigration on the trucking industry. So I thought, why not create another video on who benefits in the trucking industry from mass immigration? I mean, on what industries it actually play a role on, who actually makes more money because of mass immigration in the trucking industry. Well, here's what I have.
So definitely number one, I would say the fuel companies, okay? So if there are no vacancies, if all trucks are on the road, they don't care about freight rates. Those trucks are burning fuel, and if they're burning fuel, there's a lot of people making money. Number two, truck manufacturing companies, all the OEMs are happy. Why? Because if there are no vacancies, trucks are on the road, people are buying more and more trucks. So they're definitely benefiting from this mass immigration because their numbers are looking better as they sell trucks off their lots. Number three, manufacturing companies, and this is a huge one. Freights are suppressed for truck drivers. If drivers are only making 65 cents per mile, the cost of transportation is cheaper. So when freight rates are low, you can assure that manufacturing plants can sell their product, because when they're selling a trailer of goods, let's say it's $40,000 or $50,000 and there's $4,000 in transportation costs, is definitely better than $6,000 in transportation costs, which means they can move their product probably faster and they can move it cheaper. Number four, okay, probably the biggest one guilty of this is the large trucking companies. Large trucking companies definitely benefit from the cycle of newly licensed drivers. They can get away with a lot, they can pay them cheaper rates, and it's like a conveyor belt in there between newly licensed drivers, getting them in a truck, and that conveyor belt does not stop. Number five, freight brokers and logistics companies definitely benefit from mass immigration and suppression of our freight rates. We are competing for business, okay? You know right now that if somebody's posting a hot load, freight broker is getting tens of calls on that one load and usually moving it at a very, very cheap price because there's always somebody desperate. They just want the fuel expense in order to get home. When things were in reverse probably 4 years ago, post-COVID, when freight rates were crazy high, I can honestly say that the freight brokers had a much harder time moving freight. All right, and the last thing we'll talk about is politicians. Why are politicians benefiting from mass immigration within the trucking industry? Because they have a better report card at the end of the month, at the end of the quarter, at the end of the year. The more jobs they create, they get, brownie points. Oh, our economy is better. Oh, we created X amount of jobs. But in reality, they're creating X amount of jobs, but they're definitely taking away from the people that are in this industry, especially the drivers, the owner-operators, and the small fleet owners, for sure. All right, so if I missed anything, guys, please put a comment down below. I'd love to hear what you guys have to say. I'm Ronen, and I'll catch you in my next video.